Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and I want to say thank you for playing this video. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, spicy mustard drumsticks that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, mustard, mayonnaise, and of course our drumsticks. This is everything we need for this delicious drumsticks. So let's get started. I am going to start with my chicken drumsticks. Okay, let's go and rinse them out. We want to make sure that we rinse every single one just like this. Take your time because this is really important, and this is the way I like to rub the drumsticks, just like this, making sure that I rinse them out, really good. This is a very important step. We want to make sure that we rinse every single one through running water. Sometimes there's a little bit still skin on top of them. We're just gonna go ahead and clean them really good. Okay, this is the last one, and I am completely done. This is done. Now I am ready to start adding them to the baking dish. I have my baking dish here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in so that everything fits really nicely. We don't wanna add no water to this, so we just wanna make sure that they fit really nice. So here I'm just gonna make sure that I really put them aside and fix them. So this is completely done. Let me go ahead and put this baking dish aside. I have a little plate here where I'm gonna start making my dressing. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The brand doesn't matter. I have 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of mustard. This spicy mustard is going to give it such a delicious flavor. I'm adding my onion powder, my garlic powder. I'm adding my salt. I have pink salt, Himalaya salt. You could use the salt you have at home. And I'm going to add my black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and mix it very well, making sure that everything is really nice and incorporated. All those spices are really mixed and bind in together. Once this is completely done, well then let's start adding it to the drumsticks. You could even smell the mustard and all those spices. I want to make sure that we add everything right on the top of the drumsticks. We want to coat them very good right on the top. The bottom really doesn't matter because once they start cooking, all this delicious dressing will go to the bottom. So just make sure that you cover everything completely from the top. Okay, this is completely done. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover it with foil paper, and let's take it to the oven. It's going to be in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour and a half. Let's leave it covered, leave it in there, and I'll see you in an hour. An hour has passed, and I want to show you how these drumsticks look. Look at this. Let me uncover them
and let me show them to you. They are cooking in their own juices. You can see all that juice. Remember, we didn't add any liquid, so all that juice is in there, and they're right now. I'm just gonna go ahead, put them again in uncovered. I'm not gonna cover them anymore, just for 30 more minutes, and I'll see you when this is done. My chicken drumsticks are done. They are nice and crispy from the outside, but yet they are still in their own juices. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation, and I can't wait to taste these delicious drumsticks. So you know something? I'll see you in a bit.
With my mustard drumsticks. They are very crispy from the outside. I combined it with some rice, and it's bell pepper rice that you guys already have on my channel. You guys already have this delicious bell pepper rice. Well, you know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. Let's see how this drumsticks came out. Excuse me. You know something? The meat is so tender, but yet it has so much flavor. Let me try it with the rice. With all this bell pepper rice, you know, this is just amazing. Excuse me. This just came out perfect. Excuse me. And of course, with the peach lemonade that you already have on my channel, this is just a perfect combination. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so that it's activated. And every time I make a new recipe, my friends, yes, you are going to be notified. I want to say thank you so much for playing my video, watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious mustard drumsticks with the bell pepper rice. Bye-bye.